Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Takeout to export your data securely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Go to the Google Takeout website by entering the URL in your browser. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you will see a list of data categories available for export. Review the categories and select the specific data you wish to download. To select all data, click on the Select All option at the top of the list. If you prefer to choose specific items, click on the checkbox next to each category you want to export. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Next Step button. In the next screen, choose your preferred file type for the export. You can select between .zip or .tgz formats. Decide how much data you want to export at once by adjusting the size options provided. Choose whether you want the export link to be emailed to you or if you prefer to have it added to cloud storage like Google Drive. If you select email delivery, enter the email address where you want to receive the link. Review your selections to ensure everything is correct. When you are satisfied, click on the Create Export button to begin the process. An export may take some time depending on the amount of data selected. You will receive an email notification once your data is ready for download. Follow the link in the email to access your exported data. Download the files to your device by clicking on the provided links. After download, ensure to store your data in a secure location. Regularly check for any updates or new data exports in your Google Takeout settings. Your data is now securely exported and ready for your use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.